So this is a 92 F150 XLT Lariat. My motor's not working. I put my multimeter on here. I get power when I use the switch. That means this is all good up to here. The motor's bad. I've seen different videos. They're saying pop these rivets out, replace them with bolts and all this jazz. What I'm gonna do for this particular truck, right here where this notch is, and right here where this little notch is, you can see it. That's where the bolts are. There's one bolt that went right there to hold the motor in. There's one here and here. I'm gonna just drill a hole. There's nothing holding this on this side. It's nothing. So I'm just gonna drill holes out right here and right here so I can get to those screws. I took the speaker out already. That way I can just pop it off and pop the new one in without having to do all this jazz. I don't want to do that. So here we go. So I completed my first hole. There it is. Boogered up a little bit, but there's the screw right there, or there's a bolt. So I'll put it in a socket and I'll get that one. And now I'm gonna do that one. And here's the thing, people were probably like, what are you doing this for? Why? Here's the thing, man. You got a cover that goes over this whole thing right here. You ain't gonna see that at all. And this is not gonna screw up the integrity. You get, again, these four are already holding it in. So it's gonna be good. So don't freak out, you purists. I drilled this hole. As you can see, I got it out. It's just three, so it sits in there like this. It's just 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. And you just gotta push it out and it'll fall down. I put a piece of wood because just in case this thing decided to come down on me, this glass, but got it out. Now to get a new one. So I finished the installation. So it's in reverse. So I put those holes in. I put the new motor in. Unfortunately, the new motor I got at O'Reilly's. I like them a lot because they usually tend to have Ford parts. But the motor they had, one of the bolts wasn't exactly the same. So I got 2 though. 2 of the bolts were fine. So as long as it's torqued down, it ain't going nowhere. I mean, you'd have to be really hit or off-roading heavy duty, which I don't plan on doing that with this truck. I'm not planning on it going off-roading like crazy. For that motor to fall out, I got 2 screws in there. It's not going to go nowhere, and it's torqued pretty good. And just to show you that it works, put the battery on. Always take your battery off when working with any electric. Trust me, it hurts. All right, let's turn the key. And then, here we go. Down and up. Now with this, it goes up. I tap it down because it torques the whole body. So I'll just tap it like that. And that should be good, because I don't like how it moves like that. It shouldn't do that, but I guess that extra gear on that mechanism for the window. But there you go, guys, and it works on the driver's side too. I'll prove it to you. I'll show you. Watch it not work when I get over there. Go figure. That's how this truck's been going. Got it for a great deal, but once I fix one thing, another thing goes. So here we go, window. There it goes. All right. There it goes up. Tap it. There we go. That's it, everybody, for the window repair. Now to more stuff.